Okay guys, let's continue. Let's open box, let's unpack. So this is box which I received from Amazon. So let's see what's inside. I open ready. So this is box with camera and nothing else inside. Only one box with camera. So let's open. Let's see what's inside, because it's, some people says comes with selfie stick. I don't see any selfie stick here. Nothing. So it's only one box. Open. Comes manual. Comes camera by himself. Camera looks good, feels good. Really sticky plastics here, can't even remove it. It's protection for lens. Okay, this is one. This is two, and this is screen. Screen looks good. I don't know how gonna work. Let's see what else there. Okay, one more, some kind of box here. Let's see what's here. This is, looks like case. Yep, this is case, safety case. One battery, second battery, charging cable. That's it, nothing else here, basically. This is it. So let me connect everything. I'm gonna try put on motorcycle and let's see how this works. And I will be back. Okay? So subscribe my channel. Make sure you see real reviews on this camera, not like from some bloggers who get this camera for free. I pay for this camera from Amazon. You can see this box. Thank you.